Did Warren Buffett have any interest in the death of David Koch? There were 5 Venezuelan related oil field deals that were adjudicated about 72 hours before the announcement of the death of David Koch, that I understand came on the same day as his death. Last night, on his birthday, Warren Buffett announces picking up 5 interest in Japan. You know what that is? That's flipping an oil deal for a nuclear deal. And that's about how these guys play. And I take it mighty personally because that transaction was supposed to be horribly, horribly anti Semitic. Just saying, you already know every piece of derivative litigation you do is illegal. And you can't call it counterintelligence, especially because I already found your sweet deal on counter intel from last year. And we're about what? 27 days into their schedule. We're 27 days into the counterintelligence schedule for the shadow government and their alleged defense intelligence network.